Hey JD.
Yes.
Hey Uzi.
Panthers too.
Hey, y'all, we're at Fremont Skate Park. I got a gift for you.
Gift. Jesus. That was not a very good way to throw it.
Sorry.
Well, you are on a one wheel. But we got a ramp.
So basically, every time something new comes to Amazon, I buy it. Because when you make a video every day, you just gotta make it work sometimes, you know? But we've seen wedge ramps, I know. But this right here is the Bowl-O-Rama double ramp and bowl. And it is unique in the way that it has a little part that goes in the middle that turns it into a bowl.
Wow. For real?
Yes.
Then that's actually kind of crazy.
Were you expecting that one, Dan?
You know what? I'm mind blown right now.
Are you? Dude.
I'm blown away.
Hell yeah, man. I'm glad I can do that for you. But you know, we're here at Fremont. We got a beautiful skate park, but why not set up something that you could just skate wherever you want?
Took the words right out of my mouth, brother.
You doing all right?
Huh?
You doing all right? You having a hard time here?
Like opening the box or just in general?
Just in general, I guess.
I don't know.
All right.
Let's go. So it's looking like a normal Amazon ramp that we always see.
Normal Amazon ramp.
We got assembly instructions.
Okay, so normal Amazon ramp. Good.
We got the connectors. Okay.
And these are the connectors.
There's no way this actually helps.
Dude, this is sketchy looking.
This is mad scary.
Okay, but this is already the problem at hand, JD, is this plastic Bowl-O-Rama ramp is expecting me to believe that the force of a skateboard will be supported by two little plastic rods.
And the max weight, I was looking, it's 125.
Oh my, wait, what?
That is not gonna connect very well.
Dude, and how does it, oh, these pop out, look. These little things right here pop out.
Pop out.
All right, well, do you want to skate the ramps individually first and then do the full thing?
We should do that.
Let's do that, because then you can put the ramps wherever you want and you can have like a fun session. But this, I mean, I praise them for like the invention aspect, but like, I don't know about this.
I do not know what I want to do with these. Maybe over this rock gap first?
Sure. Do they slide?
Okay, let's see. All right, let's see.
Oh, wow.
Not bad, not bad.
Hey, honestly, the bump and grind rail you were skating yesterday might have prepared you for this video.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Okay, you know what? Here at Fremont, these are good. At the Braille house, you would have been sliding all over the world.
Yeah, you're probably right. I wouldn't doubt that.
Oh, the double kicker?
It's kind of scary.
That is a little sketchy, man. I like it though.
Uzi, you got this one?
I like the creativity. Not sure about the safety. Your mic wasn't on?
Nope.
God damn it. Is it on now?
Yeah.
Editor, we just turned the mic on. I'm sorry. Oh, God.
What even happened?
I don't know. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm chilling. I don't even know what happened. Kind of sketched me out.
It didn't move at all.
No, I think I just hit this. Okay.
Yeah, I'm definitely not.
You're not hitting that? You are not 250. Oh! Dan says he's weighing in at a nice 250.
250? No way.
There's no way you weigh 250 pounds, Dan. You weigh 170 soaking wet, if that.
I made it.
You think he weighs 250?
Oh, we made it.
Hard no.
Bro,
Oh, it's a 50? Oh, hold on. This is getting cool. Oh, it's wet.
I did it.
That was dope. Why? What?
All right, now we gotta put it in.
has anyone ever manual dropped in on vert?
Yeah.
Really?
I don't know, probably.
You said yes so confidently, I believed you.
Wow. Does that mean I'm a good liar or you're very gullible?
I don't know.
I think it's both. All right, let's try this.
Glow, I know you've been playing baseball for a lot of your life. Are you familiar with something you put on your hand that makes your hand hella sticky and grippy? It's like an oil. Is that legal?
No.
Illegal?
Yeah, you can't do that. One of my favorite pitchers got banned for that.
Oh my
I barely got here and this is what I walk into. That was actually insane.
Well, the reason I'm bringing it up is because we got some and we are using it to grip a skateboard.
Really? That's actually kind of fire.
It's called magnet grip. JD, that was insane. What else you want to try?
Follow me.
Oh, follow you? All
Why
right.
going for it?
My ankle? My ankle's fine, yeah. JD, what is wrong with you? What? Go this way.
Huh?
Go this way then.
Heck no. You really think I'm that crazy?
Yes.
I'm the avid Amazon
Just call yourself the Amazon god.
god.
You know what? Instead of Optimus Prime, call yourself Amazon Prime.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, that was so bad. I like the idea of this one right here.
Okay.
Holy crap. We're mad close to each other.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna try another trick real quick.
Oh my god! I'm about to end the video, bro. What the?
I think I'm used to the stuff from yesterday.
That was ridiculous, dude.
Alright, there we go.
What are you thinking here?
That's a great question. I do not know what I'm thinking. But I'm thinking. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Gotta go more this way.
A
Ah!
little off.
Oh, I went too fast.
Hey, you 5-0'd it. Oh! Oh!
Dang it!
I was gonna actually, you know what's funny? Is that is the exact idea I had, but I was gonna put the ramp sideways so you bonk the side of the ramp.
Ah, it's a great idea. I'm gonna land this one first though.
Great minds think alike. What can I say? Oh! I would just like you to know that there's not many things I enjoy more than watching you skateboard.
I appreciate that, Gabriel.
And the only few things are like Steph Curry playing basketball.
Wow, that's actually a great compliment. Love you. All right, right here.
Wow.
Okay, maybe I gotta go over here more.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
So I got more time. I don't have to like.
Woo!
All right, let's keep it going. Ready?
Yes. I got a really stupid one. I got a really stupid one.
After I try one more.
All right. Wow.
That was odd.
All right, you
Let me
ready for
hear.
my idea?
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll work, but can I trade you real quick so I can set up?
Oh. Oh, banana slide. I think it's doable.
Is it?
I think so.
Oh!
So you gotta put it like. Okay. I mean, I pretty much did nothing, but. Right here, ski. How did I even land that?
I don't know what happened right there.
I might have to take that. I mean, I hit both of them. I just landed primo and almost fell.
Let's take it.
Let's take it. That's also a great idea. I'll put it on this side. I'll put. No, you're right on this side.
Not really sure how you would roll up to it, but
Yeah, I like,
I'm overexposing for the shadow. I will fix it later.
think like that, probably.
Oh! Did you bonk?
Yeah. All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh! God.
That's pretty lame, not gonna lie.
You know, it was cool in theory.
Yeah.
Let's see what you're thinking here.
All right, let's see if this will work.
Definitely.
Maybe like that way. You okay?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah. Dang! Alright, right here, Gabe. I will take that one, brother.
I think it's time to go put on the
Yeah.
ramp attachment. I think you pretty much just have to
Pop these little holes out.
get these little things out.
How do you get those out? I'm gonna pop it from the bottom. Yeah.
How's it looking?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's looking, yeah.
It's looking like you.
I don't know about this, man.
I don't know
I
about this.
don't know about this.
You know what's cool though? You can fold it.
Okay, that's kind of sick. Oh no, it broke.
It broke? No. No, it didn't. It just bent.
All right, JD, what should we do with this?
Honestly, nothing.
I feel like let's just try it, and then we'll just, you know,
Just try it first. Yeah, I feel that.
and then we'll rate it, because I already feel like as the ramps themselves, they should be rated pretty high on the plastic ramp scale.
Yeah, I agree with that one.
But in terms of like mini ramp, whatever, I don't know.
In terms of boulderomery,
Yeah, that's looking suspicious.
get mad suspicious, brother. Let's see if I can skate it though. Okay. That's not fun.
Yeah.
This makes me want to just not skate. you
What's the point of this?
know?
You just got hit in the side of the ankle, huh?
Nope, shinner. Ankle would have sucked. Oh. My foot keeps slipping.
Oh,
I do not like
I
this.
think this might not be it, man.
This is not it. The other way maybe, but this way, ain't no way. Air up, hit this, ollie over the grass cap,
All right, Ender.
ander.
Oh!
Does that count? This thing honestly is not it. Not it.
Rate the wedges and then rate the ramp.
Wedges, I'll give it, this is on plastic ramp scale.
Yes.
9 wedges.
okay.
This ramp, plastic ramp scale, like a 3. Nah, probably less than that, 2.5.
Wow.
It is not it. Well,
Easy money.
easy peasy lemon squeezy. Make sure you don't get this rampeasy. Actually, you can get the two separate, but I don't think the middle part is worth it. That's just me though.
All right, everyone, so this is, before we wrap up this video, this is the Rise Boulderama ramp for skateboards. Currently unavailable now. Maybe they sold out. Easy assembly. And let me see how much I bought this for. We bought this ramp, this Rise ramp, for $120. Do I think it's worth it? No. But that right there is another one of our patented reviews. Even though it may not be the best, even though they are tiny plastic ramps, look at the incredible tricks JD was able to do on it. I hope that this video inspires you to go out there and learn how to skateboard, because even if you just have a small little curb or a tiny little ramp or even just some flat ground, you can do anything you want on a skateboard if you set your mind to it. So go out there, learn how to skate, and happy holidays.